Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphones you can get right now, the TRAUSI wireless earbuds. With cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.4 technology, IPX7 waterproofing, noise-canceling mic, fast charging, and an ultra-comfortable fit, these earbuds are packed with features and ready for anything. Let's start with the design. The TRAUSI earbuds come in a sleek, matte black finish with a soft over-ear hook that keeps them firmly in place during workouts, runs, or daily use. They're incredibly lightweight at just 7 grams each, and the package includes 3 sizes of silicone ear tips, small, medium, and large, to give you the perfect seal. Now, onto sound. The TRAUSI wireless earbuds use Bluetooth 5.4 with true wireless stereo, delivering detailed, immersive audio. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks, podcasts, or audiobooks, the clarity is impressive. The noise-canceling microphone makes a huge difference on calls, filtering out background noise so your voice comes through clean even if you're in a crowded gym or walking down a busy street. Connecting is a breeze. As soon as you open the case, the earbuds instantly power on and pair with your device. They support HSP, HFP, A2DP, and AVRCP for wide compatibility, and maintain a stable connection up to 50 feet away. Plus, smart touch controls make it effortless to play or pause music, skip tracks, adjust volume, or activate Siri or Google Assistant. You'll barely need to touch your phone. Here's where it gets even better: battery life. On a full charge, each earbud gives you up to 6 hours of playback. But with the included 400 mAh charging case, that extends to a total of 54 hours. Even more impressive, a 10-minute quick charge gives you 2 hours of use, perfect for when you're in a rush. The LED display on the case shows the remaining power percentage, so you always know where you stand. These earbuds are built for action. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, they can handle rain, sweat, and splashes like a champ. Just don't take them swimming, they're not meant for submersion. Whether you're pushing through intense gym sessions or running in the rain, the TRAUSI earbuds stay dry and stay in place. Absolutely. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance pair of wireless earbuds, the TRAUSI Bluetooth 5.4 headphones hit the mark. Excellent sound, crystal clear calls, long battery life, rugged design, and comfort that lasts all day, all at a reasonable price. These are not just great for workouts, they're an excellent daily driver too. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed reviews, and let us know in the comments what gadget you want us to test next. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.